Here is a probably boring tour of the lifts at the new Battersea Power Station shopping centre thing. I was going to film Romford, however that'll have to wait until next time. And here is a Schindler lift. Here's the lift. It's a Schindler with generic fixtures. It's a Schindler, or as the Schindler voice.
Door 1.
Oh, look at it.
Door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing.
It's a really nice Schindler lift. I don't know if this is 5500 watts. It's got generic fixtures. It's really nice. Oh, that's a mirror.
Round door.
And that's it.
Door opening.
And now to another really nice glass Schindler lift. More Schindler lifts across the passage. Oh, this one is. There you go. Here's a Schindler lift. What is that noise?
Floor 1. Door opening. Lift is going down. Door closing.
These are really nice Schindler lifts. This is the way down.
Ground floor.
That's it.
Door opening.
Upstairs.
And now to an escalator. They've put glass around all the mechanic bits, which means you can see what the escalator is actually doing. Quite cool. And now to, you guessed it, another really nice and glass Schindler lift. There's a 2 and a 3. These are more Schindler lifts. I don't think any of the shops have upstairs. And more stuff up there. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Going back down. And that's it. And now to another really nice and glass Schindler lift. These are some more Schindler lifts. A Battersea Power Station shopping centre. Lift pit there.
Lift is going up. Door closing. Upper ground floor. Door opening. Lift is going up.
Thank you.
Door close button, I don't think works very well. These are some
Opening. Lift is going up. Door closing. Floor 1. Door opening.
These are some Schindler lifts at Battersea Power Station shopping centre. Doesn't say they're Schindlers anywhere, but they are by the voice.
Ground floor.
Oh, yeah, it does there. That's it.
Oh, and there's a little indicator there.
And now to the only shop that actually has a lift, which is Uniqlo, which has a weird, cheap Otis Gen 2 lift. This is branded as Otis, however, I'm not sure if it is a Gen 2. It's really weird.
In Battersea Power Station. Shopping centre. Oh,
Doors closing.
It's an Otis Gen 2. Considering it's got that horrible voice. How badly made is this lift? Oh, no, full numbering's wrong.
Going down. Doors closing.
This lift is really cheaply made from Otis Gen 2, although they are getting cheaper. Aeroplane! And that's it.
Doors opening. Ground floor. Coming up.
oh, did you want to take a photo?
And now, are you guys thinking, did Fred go in lift 109? No, because you have to pay, and it's only a Schindler with Dewhurst fixtures. Oh, and there are also cone lifts at the new Battersea Power Station underground station. However, I didn't film these as I went on the boat back into London.